Hi guys, Cooking with Dad here. Today we'll be making chickpea curry with carrots and potatoes. Begin by collecting and preparing all the ingredients. Chop the vegetables, measure the spices, open your cans, and be prepared to saute the onions. Turn on the saute function of the Instant Pot. Saute the onions in a little oil until they're soft. This will take a few minutes. And once they're soft, you can add in the garlic and ginger. Saute that briefly until you smell the aroma of those two spices. And then you add the remaining spices and the rest of the ingredients, the tomatoes, the water, the coconut milk, chickpeas, carrots and vegetables, and then close and cook for 15 minutes. When done, open the pressure cooker, taste for seasoning and the doneness of the beans. If they're done, then serve it over rice. Here I've used leftover kale that I had, or you can wilt some spinach in the hot Instant Pot and serve that over the rice along with the chickpea stew. So I hope you like it. Cooking with Dad here. Thank you.